Hazrat Muhammad bin Sirin states that Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu heard Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam say, when the resurrection day will draw near, a believer's dream will hardly be false, and a believer's dream is one of the 46 parts of the prophethood. Muhammad bin Sirin states, I say what has been said, and it is said, dreams are of three kinds: heart's inclinations, threatening by the Satan, and good tidings from Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. So whoso sees a thing he dislikes should not tell it to anybody, but should get up to perform prayer. He states he dislikes to dream of a shekel, but likes to be imprisoned in dream. And it is said, imprisonment indicates firmness in the religion. Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu has reported it from the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and some people have inserted all these points in the hadith, and the report of is clear. Yunus says, I think the interpretation of imprisonment is reported from the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Imam Bukhari rahmatullah alayhi says, shekels are mostly around the neck. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 7017.